Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 6004 Woodvine Rise in Canandaigua.
This is a spectacular dream townhome with waterfront pond views and community hiking trails overlooking Canandaigua Lake.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. The grand allure of this luxurious home begins with this cathedral ceiling great room. Featuring a designer white and bright kitchen with soft close well-worn cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and a center island breakfast bar. Open to the pond view dining area with a wall of windows and deck access. And spacious living area with a gas fireplace. All with beautiful hardwood floors and nature views. This spacious covered deck off the great room is just perfect for casual dining and relaxing with those scenic nature pond views.
This first floor owner suite has it all. Featuring a vaulted ceiling bedroom with beautiful hardwood floors and scenic pond views. And a vaulted ceiling spa bathroom, spacious walk-in closet. This is the ultimate private suite.
The first floor also features a spacious second bedroom, full bathroom, and laundry. Enjoy this phenomenal walkout lower level with an expansive great room, full bathroom, and bedroom. Great for entertaining and guests.
This exceptional townhome has a rear waterfront view of a scenic pond. Lakewood Meadows by Morrell Builders is an area of fine homes and townhomes with many acres set aside for your nature enjoyment. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 6004 Woodvine Rise in Canandaigua.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!